Hello everyone, welcome to the Educan community, and now we will do our eighth challenge on HackerRank Java, which is Java data types. So read the question. Java has eight primitive data types. Those are char, boolean, byte, sort, int, long, float, and double. For this exercise, we will work with the primitive used to hold the integer values, means byte, sort, int, and long. And you know that a byte is an 8-bit signed integer, sort is 16-bit, int is 32-bit signed integer, and long is 64-bit signed integer. So for reference, you can go to this link. Then here you can see the elaborate discussions on the primitive data types. That for bytes, its range is from minus 128 to 127. For sort, it is minus 32,768 to 32,767. In this way, for int, it is minus 2 to the power 31 to maximum value is 2 to the power 31 minus 1. In this way. So uh, now for input format, the first line contains an integer, which is t, denoting the number of the test cases. And each test case t is comprised of a single line with an integer n, which can be arbitrary, large or small. And for the output format, for each input variable n and appropriate primitive data type, you must determine if the given primitives are capable of storing it. If yes, then print n can be fitted in data type. Means if there is more than one appropriate data type, then print each one on its own line and order them by size, like byte, less than sort, int, long. Okay. And if the number cannot be stored in one of the four primitive data types, then print the line as in cannot be fitted anywhere. Okay. So for there are five test cases. Suppose the first one is minus 150, and so minus 150 can be fitted in the sort, int, and long. In the same way, 150000 0 can be fitted in int and long. So what we have to do is, so here the java.util package, and this is input output package. Then this is the class solution. Then it is the main method, string args, and it is our scanner class, SCS object. Then int t is for the for getting the test case, we scan the value of test case. Then I have run a for loop for going through the uh, test cases values. So you may also write as while t minus minus. Okay. So here is the long x for scanning the input value. And if the x's value is uh, greater than bytes minimum value and less than equals to of bytes maximum value, then print as star byte, asterisk byte. Okay. In the same manner, for sort, integer, and long. Okay, so you have to remember that when you will use the min value method or max value method, then you have to use these data types, means byte or sort. When you will use, then the first letter will be always in capital format. Like here B is capital, here S is capital, and here in case of byte or sort, see, byte is B is small, sort S is small, like this primitive data type, byte, sort, int, long. So those are also in the same way. So if you will do this, you can submit it successfully. Okay, after running it, all test cases passed, and then you can submit it. So thank you. uh, do like, share and subscribe as much as possible for getting more such videos. Thank you.